Okay, so I'm going to explain homework 4.3 problem 2.42b. So the question is x double dot plus 4x equals to 3t and x0 equals to 10, x5 equals to 30. So firstly, we have to let x dot 0 equals to k. So your first step is to make the Laplace transform of this equation. So we get s square xs minus sx0 minus x double dot 0 plus 4xs equals to 3 over s square, because if we look at the table, t to the power of 1 is equals to 1 over s square. So we time by 3, so it will be 3 over s square. So we substitute x0 equals to 10 and x dot 0 equals to k. So we get the equation s square plus 4xs minus 10s minus k equals to 3 over s square. So we solve for the xs and we get this equation here. Okay, then from this equation we have to find the C1, C2, C3 and so on. So from this equation here we can get it in this form, which is C1 over s square plus C2 over s for s square here in the denominator, and then for C3 is s over s square plus 2 square plus C4 2 over s square plus 2 square. S square plus 2 square, I get it from s square plus 4 here, because we can get this form in the table, in the Laplace transform table. Okay, move on to the next step. So we have to make equal the denominator here and get our numerator. So this is our next step here. We have to equal the numerator with our numerator in the right hand side. So we will get 3 plus ks square plus 10s cubed for our numerator for xs, and then for our new numerator is s times 4c1 plus s square times 4c2 plus s3 times c1 plus 2c4 plus s4 times c2 plus c3. So from here we can solve our c1, c2, c3 and c4, and by equal them to the numerator there, we get c1 equals to 0, c2 equals to 3 over 4, c4 equals to 5, and c3 equals to negative k over 4. So when we get all our c here, we can get our equation, which is 0 plus k over 4 times 1 over s minus k over 4 times s over s square plus 2 square plus 5 times 2 over s square plus 2 square. So move to the next step, which is to find the inverse of our Laplace transform. So when we look at the table here, 1 over s is equal to constant, so it will be 3 over 4 here, and then s over s square plus 2 square is equal to s over s square plus b square, which will then be cos bt. So we get times k over 4, which is negative k over 4 cos 2t, plus this one here we get from the table it will be b over s square plus b square. So in this form we will get sine 2t plus 5 will be 5 sine 2t. So this is our xt that we get in the form of k. So we need to solve for our k, and given in the question there, we have our initial condition x5 equals to 30. So we use this initial condition to solve for k. Then we can get x5 equals to 30. So we substitute t equals to 5 and we get k over 4 minus k over 4 cos 10 plus 5 sin 10 equals to 30. Then we solve for k and we get k equals to 7,670.165. From this one, we substitute back to our xt there and we get our final equation, which is xt equals to 1917.5 minus 1917.5 cosine 2t plus 5 sine 2t. So this is our xt. Here in the form of k, and this is after we solve for our k. We get this xt here. Okay, thank you.